Hi guys, Kevin Lee Jacobs here with another delicious recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rose geranium martini. All you need is some sugar, some water, some vodka from the bottle you keep in your purse, maybe some Grand Marnier, and one very special ingredient, a rose geranium plant. The rose geranium is a great plant. I grow it outdoors in summer and indoors in winter. The scented leaves are not only great for perfuming vodka and iced tea, but you can use them to make perfumed cake frostings and pastry icings as well. And you'll need about 10 leaves for this recipe. To extract the fragrance from the rose geranium leaves, you'll need a simple syrup. To make it, you pour the sugar and water into a heavy bottom saucepan. Give it a stir and bring it to a boil over high heat. You just want the sugar to dissolve. The water is boiling, so now is the time to add these beautiful rose geranium leaves. And by the way, I rinsed them off earlier just to get rid of any dust or dirt. And then make sure they're submerged in the syrup. Then lower the heat. And you want the leaves to simmer. I'm going to put the lid on, you should too. And let them simmer for about 5 minutes. After the leaves have finished simmering, fish out the leaves and let the mixture cool, preferably to room temperature. I'm going to transfer this really fragrant mixture to a jar. Store it in the refrigerator. This scented elixir will keep for weeks. So let's make our rose geranium martini. You'll need a cocktail shaker and some ice. The ice goes into the shaker. Then add a sensible amount of vodka. This part is entirely up to you. A little splash of Cointreau or some other orange liqueur. And finally, oh man, oh, this smells so good. The rose geranium syrup. Put the lid on the shaker and the cap. Go like this. Maybe go like this. You could stir this if you'd like. And then strain it into a sensibly sized cocktail glass. And by the way, the rose-scented geranium has a little hint of lemon in it, so it would be very appropriate to add for garnish a little ring of lemon peel. Taste test. Oh man, this is really good. You get the sweetness and the rose perfume from the syrup, and you get the wonderful little bite of vodka. This is the kind of drink you'd want to sip on your patio or during a stroll through your garden. If I were you, I'd serve this as a signature cocktail at your next cocktail party. Now again, if you're not into drinking alcohol, you could certainly use your rose geranium syrup in a glass of iced tea. Just fill the glass about halfway. I forgot to add ice. Must add ice. And a nice splash of the rose geranium syrup. A bit of lemon. Maybe I'll put this on the side of the glass. That looks pretty. common iced tea with rose geranium syrup, now we're talking. So just remember, with a rose geranium plant at your side, all kinds of delicious things are possible. I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. Bye for now.